Hello everyone, today we are going to learn basic FreeCAD 1.1 how to show and hide dimensions. So you can go to parametric body and create new sketch. I will choose the top line. Create rectangle as the example and another I will create a circle. After it you can use the dimension tools to set a dimensions into the object. Like this. And the next, if you want to hide the dimension, you can go to constraint here. You can searching for the dimension option. Like in here for constraint, you can uncheck to set like this. Or another option, you can use the filter here. You can choose the filter option. Okay, this is for all. And you can set like for the dentums here for horizontal instance, vertical, and also for diameter. After it, you can click these icons to hide all dimension. So this is how to use the filter. Okay, that's it for basic FreeCAD 1.1, how to hide and show dimension.